Hey guys, right now I'm going to my grandma's. Come on, Nikita. And, sorry it's so dark. But, like, earlier today, the power went out at our place, and my shoes are soaked, so now I gotta wear my boots. Don't wanna wear my boots. So yeah, right now we're just heading in the car. Got my retainer thing. And finally, as you can hear, the wind is it's very windy out. So yeah. There is actually going to be a major storm today, tomorrow I mean. Tomorrow there's going to be a major storm, and my mom says I gotta go to grandma's because they're going to be preparing for the night. So yeah. Dog. This is my puppy. I do like cute. Look at her. She's so cute. She's adorable. You gonna vlog? Okay.
Battery powered radio under a plank with a flashlight somewhere right now because currently over 75,000 people in the lower mainland and Fraser Valley without power. They're working on it.
So right now, just going to my grandma's, like I said, the 3 times. So yeah, guys, today was a major storm at school. Our power almost went out. It was flickering a lot. And at my house, the power went out. It was just wow. It wowed me. First it came to Japan, like Japan, and then here's the Pacific Ocean, and then it traveled to the Pacific Ocean, past the Pacific Ocean, and now it's coming here. And there's lots of clouds out, but still, be prepared, guys. I don't know if you can see this because there won't be power tomorrow. Well, for BC, British Columbia, I live in Vancouver right here, and now I'm going to Langley, which is right here or something. No, right here. Yeah. I love nature, but I don't like Mother Nature because she brings us storms often now. Like this morning, it was so windy that I was biking to school, and then I had to get off my bike, and my dad had to get off of his bike too. And we literally had to push our bikes with all our might. We had to push our bikes to the school, and then after, we had to bike home in the rain. It was pouring. We had to bike home in the rain. And guess what else happened? It hurt our face because we were going, so the rain was coming down here, like sideways, and we were coming like this. And then the raindrops hit our face so hard that it made our face hurt a lot. So yeah, be prepared tomorrow. What I think you guys need is a flashlight, some candles, a DVD player. A DVD player is where you put a CD in, well, a DVD, then just play it, and then you get to watch your shows. It's one way for the shows, or you can just get a tablet and then play games, free games, no Wi-Fi. And then yeah, And you also need blankets. First thing to do is keep yourself safe. Then keep your family safe. Huge clouds. Uh-oh, it's starting to rain, but oh, wow. And okay, this is a true story, guys. Mom, I haven't told you this yet, but a guy was playing on the playground today, and he was on this little what's it called? A branch fell on his head, and then everybody was like, oh, worried. It was surrounding him, and then I don't know who got a supervisor, but someone got a supervisor, and then he had to go home because it was just unbelievable. So yeah, that's today, guys. That's the vlog for today. I might not be able to upload tomorrow, but still, I may. So, see you guys later. Bye. One more quick thing. I forgot to tell you guys, be prepared tomorrow. Be prepared, because there's a huge storm coming in. So, yeah. By the way, where my friend lives, there's lots of trees. I'm not going to mention her name, but there's lots of trees by her house. And it's just crazy. So yeah. Now I'll see you guys later. Bye. Also, don't forget to subscribe, like, and follow me on YouTube and other stuff. So, bye. One more thing. Be prepared. Okay. See you later. Bye.